Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys the Magic Styler honest review. As you can see, we're on Trustpilot and the average rating is 3.4 and it's a battle between 5-star and 1-star. So let's see. One person who has put up 5 stars said good, more than happy, and like with some reviews, but it works well. And then another person said it's a complete disappointment. It shipped in 1 week, but it didn't curl well. And the person says took a long time to be delivered. Once it arrived, it was very cheaply made. And then another person said that it is great, but the delivery did take some time, things like that. Delivery was slow, styling and get very hot, works well. But if we go ahead and filter out only the 1-star reviews, we can see there's 143 1-star, and then it says that this is a scam, no comparison to Dyson Wrap Tool. I mean, if you're comparing it to something that is top, obviously you will feel like that, bad quality. So I think what is happening with most people is that it is very cheaply made. If you're going for something with that price, it honestly depends for you. If it was something that is in your budget range and this is only what you can afford, from the other reviews it is said good. But if you have a higher budget or you're used to good products, I would say don't go for it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.